homeowners! Hope you're having another inspiring day. Once again, this is Phoebe for MF Home TV. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell for you to always be updated. And make sure to wait until the end of this video to know this week's prize. Head on to our description box below for you to find out the details on how you can join our giveaway. Small space living actually has its perks and advantages. But if you've got a lot of stuff, that makes it difficult to organize. But don't get intimidated because we can always tame that clutter if you follow these simple tips on how you can organize and if you stop being a hoarder.
Subok na't maaasahan, maging sa opisina o tahanan. Mura na at matibay talaga, partner sa ginhawa. Mandawi phone na, Mandawi phone na.
First of all, you need to purge and declutter. Remove, donate, or throw away all the things that you haven't used in a year. If you're keeping these things because of the giant, what if I need to use them or what if I still need to wear them, chances are you will never use them. They just get piled up. Research has shown that a cluttered space has a negative impact on mental health. When you're consistently seeing mess every day, you'll feel overwhelmed, overloading your brain with too much sensory information. As a result, you're more stressed and have a hard time to focus. So start practicing decluttering and I promise you, you will feel more control in your life. You can actually earn more money by selling these stuff to your friends or even online. Use a multifunctional furniture. I know we've been repeating this over and over and over again, but it actually pays off. The less furniture you have, the more floor space you'll get and the more money you'll save. Being multifunctional also has its creative side. It doesn't mean that if this particular item is labeled to be used in the kitchen, then you cannot use it anywhere else in the house. Some multifunctional furniture that I love are a sofa or sofa bed with storage. A mirror with a shelf, display cabinet inside the bedroom for your collections, a buffet in the living room used for the TV, a nightstand used as a side table and vice versa. Even a maternity pillow. You can use it even if you're not with child. It provides support for your back and saves you from placing multiple pillows in the bed. Next is to maximize closet space. No matter the height and size of your closet or wardrobe, you'll discover that it can actually give you more space for storage when you just know how to maximize it. You can make use the doors by adding in hooks where you can hang your belts, neckties, and chains. The space above the hanger rod can be topped with a shelf where you can store your bags, purses, and hats. While the space below can be added with another layer of hanger rod, so now you'll get two sections to hang your clothes. It is easier to clean a space if you have a place for everything. There will also be less items on the floor if you immediately place these items on their particular storage compartments. Always remember that a floor or a table surface is not a storage space. You can use a jewelry cabinet for your precious gems and stones. There are acrylic organizers for makeup and skincare products and one with drawers for your eyeglasses and sunglasses. Your shoes can go to a shoe cabinet, or if you want something simpler, a shoe rack. If you still have other items that need to be organized but you don't have enough space on the floor to add another furniture, the solution is always to go up. Install floating shelves, tall bookcases, hanging drawers, and cabinets. One of the best things about organizing with these types of storage units is they can double as decor. Just make sure you arrange them neatly. 2 interior decorating rules. 1. Group items in odd numbers, 1, 3, or 5. And 2, vary their heights. You can stack them together or add a riser like a book. If you have a tall bookcase, you can add cute baskets for items that are too messy to begin with, like wires and tiny objects. O eto, tame your inner shopaholic. Relax lang sa mga budol. Huwag puro mine. Or mga add to cart. Remember, think twice before you buy or what you'll bring to the house. O ha, Miss Mitch ha? When you buy something new, make sure it can be multifunctional and isn't a duplicate of something you already own. Buy something new when your old item cannot be used anymore or have worn out with age. This way, when you add something, you are getting rid of the old one. Your things will remain in the same number and decluttering won't be needed. There you have it! Those are the top tips in organizing a small space. If you think we missed out on something, please do let us know and share it in our comment box below. And if you wish to apply these tips in your own home, please take a photo and share it in our social media accounts. That's on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that bell for you to stay updated. Also, if you wish to join our giveaway, we will be posting the details on our Facebook page, or you may click the link down below in our description box to take you there. Make your dream home a reality with Mandawi Foam. Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winner. This week's prize.